Viewers will have breaking up. Shivangi Shukla getting the latest coming in. A woman SpiceJet employee was seen in a video which has gone viral where she has slapped an on-duty CISF officer following an argument over security screening at the Jaipur airport. Calling it a serious case of sexual harassment, SpiceJet in a statement alleged the CISF officer used inappropriate language against its employees. The CISF denied the allegation and said that its officer was only doing his duty. Police say that they were investigating claims made by both sides. Let's go. Riyanka is joining us. Riyanka, it looks like that both the sides are making their own claims. Just take us through what both the sides are saying and where is the investigation standing right now?
Absolutely. This this particular situation or the scenario that broke out at the Jaipur airport, it went on becoming a legal procedure for the woman staffer of SpiceJet, as she has ultimately been held for slapping the CISF personnel. Now, there are two versions to it. Firstly, the version that is coming in from the SpiceJet says, that the woman staffer was, she was being hurled with inappropriate words by the CISF personnel, and they have alleged that it was a case of sexual harassment, which is why the woman staffer of SpiceJet went ahead and slapped the CISF officer. That is the version of the SpiceJet, clearly coming in support of its employee. On the other hand, it is the CISF that has clearly mentioned and filed an FIR against the SpiceJet staffer, claiming that she physically abused an on-duty officer, a CISF officer, and that there was no such sexual harassment which was done to her. The officer was just doing his duty as to tell the woman employee of her SpiceJet to enter through a certain gate as she was going ahead to do her work. Now, this is the current scenario that is taking place. There is an altercation, a war of words that is going on between the SpiceJet and the CISF at the moment. For now, we are getting to know that the police are currently probing the angles of both the people here, the CISF personnel and the woman staffer of SpiceJet, looking into the claims of both the parties, and then there will be more details that will be following up on this case.
Right. So what we see right now is that the SpiceJet staff member had slapped this Central Industrial Security Force Jawan during an argument over security screening. Take us through what SpiceJet is saying, and the allegations being made are also quite serious. So the case has been registered under various sections, 121. 1 and 132, assaulting public servant. So these are some of the cases being registered. Very serious case coming out.
Absolutely. The SpiceJet is now claiming that they are taking immediate legal action against the CISF personnel for sexual harassment, and they have also approached the local police authorities to support their employee. Let me quote unquote what exactly the SpiceJet is saying. They said, "We stand firmly by our employee and are committed to providing her with full support." This is what the airline is now adding. In contrast, a senior CISF official provided a different account, as I mentioned, explaining that the woman employee of SpiceJet was asked to undergo a mandatory screening at the nearby entrance for the airline crew, but she became agitated when no female CISF personnel were available during this. This agitation, according to the CIF, led to her slapping the on-duty officer. So this is the statements coming in. SpiceJet is quite adamant and not accepting that the woman went ahead, misbehaved with the on-duty CISF officer, rather coming out in support of their employee and alleging that there has been a case of sexual harassment, that the CISF officer had used certain terms to harass the woman staffer of SpiceJet.